Oh, I'm sorry.
You're good.
So we check on the camera.
Do you have a paper towel?
Yeah, get a paper towel.
Yeah.
Get this one.
Thank you.
Phải đo cái là nó mình coi.
I think your separation, that one there. I might have to go from the outside in. I think you got roots right there. 9 feet, 8
another-
inches.
Oh, another roots are like
Yeah,
9
9
feet,
feet, 8 inches.
8 inches.
I'm probably gonna have to come from the other direction.
So how are we gonna take it out?
So I'm gonna hit it with the machine to clear it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So my suggestion to you would be, before we get to tearing everything out, let me see what's going on first.
Yeah.
I'm gonna run that machine and see if I can clear it,
Okay.
and then. But as far as pipe separation goes, I gotta see where this is, because I'm getting stuck right there. And there's a lot of buildup that's on this. Right where your pipe connects at right there, you got roots right here at 5 feet down. So this way, down and in. So it goes down and over this way. There's roots all through there. Yeah, it looks like roots are coming in through right there on that drop. I might have to clear that before I can do anything. So remember this,
Yeah.
5 feet 8 inches. If you can get a piece of paper.
Yeah, 5 feet.
No, get a piece of paper.
Okay.
Yeah, and so we can write it down. So yeah, 5 feet 8 inches, and then 9 feet below that.
Okay.
Yep. And you can just let me pull this out of the way and then try to clear this line. All right. Actually, I could probably set this in here. I can move this. It looks like a pipe separation at about the like 8 to 9 feet mark.
Oh.
I hate these globes. I'll just keep looking at them. Now I gotta go get more out of the truck.